Hello everybody, I hope you're all doing good. Today's video is very important and it's about the very trending thing nowadays, and that is ChatGPT. So as you know that ChatGPT is one of the API or one of the smart system developed by Google. So Google is actually now focusing more towards the machine learning and artificial intelligence projects and products. So one of the project is ChatGPT, and amazingly this is going to change different uh, work environments uh, that we are currently using. So I have used it I'm using it for last 1 week, and believe me, this is one of the best intelligent system I have experienced so far. So it can respond anything you will ask, and it will interestingly it has intelligence, and so deep intelligence that you will be amazed that how it is connecting different types of it is connecting different context of your queries, and then it is giving the results accordingly. So this video I will be explaining you, I will give you a walkthrough of this system, and then you will see yourself that how intelligent this system is. So let's start this. I will just write ChatGPT in my browser and hit enter. Okay, so open its API, click on try ChatGPT, and for this you need to have your account. You can sign up using your Gmail account, and then you need to sign in. So these are all different chats I have opened so far, so you can clear them as well. So let's try with very simple question that for example, if we want to write an essay on drugs or drug addiction. So for example, let's see if that is the if this response is, if the system is responding to this query or not. So write an essay on drug addiction. So now you can see it is actually giving the response, and it is actually creating the essay, complete essay on the topic I have provided. So you can see that this is a very responsive, and it is connecting all different types of knowledge it has, and it is making it very much understandable and connected. All these paragraphs are connected to each other. This is a really amazing thing that it is connecting all these different types of opinions based on actual facts, and then it is connecting them within these paragraphs. So this is very unique thing for me. And for example, if you want it to write a story, so you will provide it a specific topic or a specific scenario, and then it will create a story for you. So this is again an amazing thing that it is getting that scenario from you, and then it is actually making the story. That story can be real as well, and that story can be based on any assumptions as well. So this is quite amazing. For example, write a story of revenge by a traumatized girl. So this is the context I have provided, and now it is actually creating the story. So you can see it is actually connecting all those dots. It is first of all it will understand your query, and then it will answer that query accordingly. So right now it is, I think, stuck. It is waiting for the response. Okay, so yeah, now it is giving the response again. So you can see that this story is now, it can be real as well, and it can be based on any assumptions as well. But the interesting thing to note here is that how intelligent this system is, that it is, creating the story as well. So for me this is just a next level thing, and you can just say that this is one of the landmark of the artificial intelligence. So for example, if I say that I want to get the knowledge of medical image processing, so for example if I type give me some examples of medical image processing. So now I have totally changed the context. It is now research based. So now it is giving me the response based on the previous research. So you can see it is giving me image enhancement, image segmentation, image registration, image construction, image analysis. So this is all true, and I know that I have I have been reading these medical image processing, and these are the fields, or these are, you can say, examples that are very much in trend nowadays, and a lot of people and a lot of countries are working on these projects as well. So you can see it is giving me different types of responses as well based on this research. Now let's talk about the programming or coding. So for coders, now this is game changer. So all of you are not good in coding. I will not suggest you that you should use this system, but for your so you have to get some skills before using this system for coding. So you should have enough knowledge of basic programming, and then you will be able to get some useful things done from this system. So for example, if I write give me a Python code for user login. So this is the Python code, and it will give me the user login code. So now this is this will be only understandable for those who are actually who is having some knowledge or background knowledge of Python programming. So this is very important, and make sure that you are using these systems just for research purpose, and then you can reuse these codes for your research or development work. So this is amazing. As you can see that it is almost giving response based on anything you will provide to this system. So I just wanted to give you some initial thoughts on this ChatGPT, and this is really strong system built by Google, and right now this is, I think, free, and I'm using this for from last 2 weeks, and this is working fine for me. So sometimes it gives the response in network error, or you have used your daily queries limit. So if you provide too much queries to this system, it will give you the error that you have to slow down that the system is down right now. So in future it is assumed that in future it will be paid. Right now it is a beta version. It is launched for testing, so Google is testing this system on all the users, and then they are going to make it paid version. So that's it from my side, and I just wanted to give you some initial thoughts on this strong AI based chatbot. And this is not just the chatbot. I think this is one of the greatest or largest repository created by any system, and then it is enabled with so much intelligence that it can give you response on almost anything you will provide to this system. So you can use this, you can try this out, and you can give me some of your initial thoughts on this system, and tell me how you found this system, and is this useful for future or not. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you in next video.